Oh ini ininya guys, tempat kita ketemu ini tahu. Lu mau sih gue bukan ngomong sama anjingnya kocak. Es gue nggak sih. Explore dulu kan. Ini lagi diomelin aja. Bu jangan galak-galak sama anaknya bu. Iya bilangin anaknya ya bu, jangan suka spam. Ya karena itu mengganggu. Ya udah berhenti gila kita. Ih lanjut lagi sih bu ngomelin bocah. Bu udah bu jangan dimarahin. Dah tuh diem kan ya. Udah kan nggak lanjutin lagi. Awas tuh bu lanjutin lagi. Ya dilanjutin lagi, capek lah ngebilanginnya. Rockcraft, gue udah pernah pakai Rockcraft belum ya? Ya lucu guys, ngambil Rockcraft. Bye. Lu mau nulis selamat ini kan? Selamat tinggal bye, tapi tulisannya bye oleh anjir. BYE. Biar ini ya, saling mengingatkan aja biar makin pinter. Gue makin pinter, lu makin pinter gitu aja. Sama-sama belajar. Arf. Ini dia Profesor Kukui. Cakep guys ya si Lily ya guys. Sumpah kalau ada di dunia nyata mah gue diemin guys. Agak gue apain. Ngapain berharap apa lu pada ngomong begitu. Nama gamenya apa? Roblox. Wih dia loh. Suruh battle nih. Battle lah. Kok bacot sih? Kan gue ditanya, kok bacot tuh gimana nggak di ban? Chatnya ngomongnya kasar. Hati-hati. Gue ngasih tahu. Gue nggak tahu sih umur lu berapa, tapi yang pasti belum 20 tahun kan. Gue kasihin aja ya advice atau saran ya. Kebodohan di masa kecil lu jangan di ini deh guys. Kalau bisa lu sadarin cepet ya. Roblox. Ya kupingnya jauh anjir. Role take care of my little Jun. Gila anak kesayangan boy. Jun, how bring for the power of your Pokemon. Let's go, kita battle lagi guys. Trainer How. Om How anjing ngeluarin Pichu coy. Wah, gue nedai dong gue. Let's go Rolet. Tipe burung gue. Di ban lagi nih. Aduh, sakit nih. Oh, gue ketolong ada daunnya guys. Bagus sih. Ih, ngeluarin tai lu, kocak juga dia. They gonna die bro, they gonna die. Pokemon lu ada berapa gue bantai pakai. Ya elah, Poplio nih, gak usah diganti bro. Rolet Kerias. Let's go. Super efektif. Let's go. Sedot dulu bang. Yah dia ngepound, lucu juga. Nih lo makan. Rasakan ini, Live Age. Maaf ya bang, emang salah apaan lu? Lebaran masih jauh bro, mau apa nih, sudah sekarang aja. Naik level bro. SP attack mainnya bro. Roulette gua. Winning. Another great battle this year. I bet Tapu Koko like it too. Theo, that was awesome, Jun. Lu ngomong sama lu. Nah kan gak kebaca. That was a really great battle. I had a blast fighting you. It was a good battle with this. Even Tapu Koko datang deh. Oh, you heard it yourself, Tapu Koko. Song of approval. Oh, I nearly forgot. I think it is time to take this, Jun. Oke, let's go. Jun dapat apa nih? Ini gelang Z-move nggak sih guys? Oh iya, Z-ring. Ya please, iya slow aja. Your Z-ring, a mysterious armband that can draw out the power that lies deep. Gitu. It can bring forth their Z power. We Kahunas can make them by refining stones like the sparking stone that you receive from Tapu Koko. Talk until you collect more Z crystal during your island challenge. You will not be able to draw out the Z power of your Pokemon, and yet you have already received that sparking stone. It seems Tapu Koko to quiet a liking to you, or perhaps it has a mission for you. In other words, it's time for you to get out there and start your island challenge. If you visit every island, maybe you will figure out what that mission is. Every island, 4 island. Anjay, tangannya nempel gitu bang. You will travel to each of the 4 island here in the Alola region. Makasih udah kasih saran. Iya, the island challenge is about aiming to be the strongest trainer, the island challenge champion. Woo, sounds great, right? I can't wait to have a real adventure. I'll explain about the island challenge later.